The 700-point plunge in the Dow this week was unsettling to investors, but not to traders. We have Joe Tigay of Equity Arm Investments with us, and part of that sell-off had to do with the strength of the economy, and the Fed wants a slowdown. Joe, what can you tell us?
Yeah, so the market has been adjusting to the Fed's realignment of the interest rate cuts for 2024. It's been a slow moving process for the market to get to where the Fed is. And this hot inflation number was really just the nail in the coffin for a March cut. It might put the May cut in jeopardy. So certainly we're going to have a lot fewer cuts this year than previously thought. Now, this does mean, Angie, like you said, the economy is still strong. The consumer is still spending money. Money is still circulating in this system. But it does heighten some of the risks out there. The risks being maybe China's slowdown is going to trickle out through the global economy and into the United States domestically. And there also is the risk popping up in some regional banks of their corporate real estate properties. Their values are just crumbling in this post-COVID era. People are not going down to work. The corporate real estate property values are tumbling. That is causing some pressure, and these higher for longer interest rates might put the squeeze on some of those banks.
Any stocks to watch, Joe?
I'm not giving up on the big cap tech, and specifically chips. We aren't going backwards. Now, this earnings season has been gangbusters for a lot of the S&P 500 companies. But one thing they continue to say time and again is we're investing in AI. For me, that means they're buying servers, they're buying computers, they're buying chips. I think the chips, the SMHs of the world, the big boys, the NVIDIAs of the world, I don't necessarily think that their valuations is fantastic right here, but I do think for the next 12 months, I think that's a great spot to be.
The ones to watch indeed. Thank you, Joe.
Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.